Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of digital clutter in your life? Juggling a million apps, drowning in notifications, and trying to remember which platform holds which piece of information? What if there was a way to streamline everything? To have a single intelligent assistant that understands you and anticipates your needs? Well, that future is no longer science fiction. It's here, and it's called the GenSpark Super AI Agent. Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI agent has already prepared your day. Checked the weather and traffic, adjusted your alarm, and curated a morning news briefing based on your interests. It's even drafted a reply to that important email you received overnight. This isn't just about automation. It's about intelligent partnership. The GenSpark agent learns from your habits, your preferences, and your goals to become an indispensable part of your daily routine. So what makes the GenSpark Super AI Agent different from other virtual assistants? It all comes down to its groundbreaking architecture. Unlike assistants that are siloed within specific apps or ecosystems, GenSpark operates across your entire digital life. It seamlessly connects your calendar, emails, messaging apps, and even your smart home devices. It doesn't just fetch information, it synthesizes it. For example, you could say, book a table for two at that Italian place my friend recommended last week, and find a time that works for both me and Sarah. The agent will not only search your messages to find the restaurant recommendation, but it will also cross-reference your and Sarah's calendars to find a free slot, book the reservation, and send out the invites. It handles the entire multi-step process in seconds. This is the power of a truly integrated system. The core of GenSpark is its advanced natural language processing. You can talk to it like you would a human assistant. There are no rigid commands to memorize. You can be vague, you can change your mind, and it will understand the context. This conversational interface makes technology feel less like a tool and more like a companion. We designed it to be intuitive, accessible, and genuinely helpful. For professionals, the GenSpark Super AI Agent is a game changer. It can manage complex projects by tracking deadlines, coordinating with team members, and summarizing long documents or meeting transcripts. Imagine having an assistant that can instantly pull up the exact data. Point you need from a 100-page report during a critical meeting. This isn't just about saving time. It's about elevating your performance and allowing you to focus on what truly matters: strategic thinking and creative problem solving. But it's not all about work. The agent enhances your personal life too. Planning a vacation? Just tell it your budget, desired activities, and travel dates. It will research flights, find hotels with great reviews, and even create a personalized itinerary with suggested activities. It can help you learn a new skill, manage your fitness goals, or even find the perfect gift for a loved one. The possibilities are truly endless. Understand that privacy is a major concern. That's why we've built the GenSpark Super AI Agent with a privacy-first approach. Your data is your own. It's encrypted, secure, and you have complete control over what information the agent can access. Our commitment is to build trust through transparency and robust security, ensuring your digital life remains private and protected. The era of the Super AI Agent is dawning, and GenSpark is leading the charge. We're moving beyond simple voice commands and into a world of proactive, intelligent assistance that simplifies complexity and empowers you to achieve more. This is more than just a product. It's a new way of interacting with technology and a glimpse into the future of personal computing. We are incredibly excited about what we've built, and even more excited for you to experience it. Thank you for watching. If you're as thrilled about the future of AI as we are, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more updates, and let us know in the comments how a Super AI agent would change your life.